Today I want to review Duolingo. It's a language learning app. You can find it in the Play Store, the App Store, um, and maybe online or something too. It's something I've been using for a few months now, probably about 6 months. I really like it. I'm gonna go over what I like about it and show you how to use it, and you can decide for yourself if it'll be beneficial for you. So here we go. Let's take a look at this. So you get rewarded gems for different things you do. Those gems can be used to buy little benefits. You get gems for achievements. My next achievement for wildfire is 75-day streak. I'm currently on 65. These don't do much. I mean, your idea is to learn language. There's a leaderboard. You can advance to the next league by getting the top 10. So currently, I'm in the teens. I might be able to get to the next league next. Here's the shop. You have a streak freeze, which is useful. So if you do miss a day, you don't lose your streak. That's something that has helped me once. And you can get a heart refill. That's really useful. When you run out of hearts, you refill and you can keep playing. Now, I learn Russian and Spanish, but there's a lot more. There's a whole lot more. Even a couple of fake languages, like the one from Game of Thrones and one from Star Trek. So, and Latin. That's something that you don't hear every day. And if you speak another language and you want to learn English or some other languages, they have those options too. So it's a very useful program. And yeah, you can take a look at it for yourself, depending on what you need. Here's a course. So the whole Russian course is split into 5 parts. I'm currently on the 4th. When I hit the 5, I'll be done. But here I am. Let's say I already have a basic understanding. I can click on this little key right here. Every lesson has it. That'll take you to the next level. That's a good way to advance through things that you already know. So with Russian, I already knew Russian, and I use it for practice. But with Spanish, I don't know anything. So the key is not going to help me in Spanish. But one other thing about the Spanish that you don't see with the Russian that I think is really cool, really useful, is when you tap on the course. Hold on, I'll do it now. When you tap on the course, you have a tip section. So this gives you some of the information you should expect to come across in that particular lesson. So it makes it a bit easier. Russian is more like you come across some information and you remember it, then they introduce you to more information. They use that same information in different ways, but there's no little tip section. Let's take a look at a course. So here it gives me the option to earn another heart by watching a video.
No, lo siento.
I do that sometimes, but I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it now. Lo siento. I had to tap on it to remember what it means. It means I'm sorry.
Sí, por favor.
It's
Sí,
nice
lo
because
siento.
you see the words, you hear the words, and you're forced to think about them.
No. No. Por favor. No.
De nada.
Here you gotta
Nada.
put what you
Perdón,
hear.
Juan.
Pardon, Juan. All right.
De nada, Juan. De nada, Juan. De nada, Juan.
Perdón.
Now, if you don't know what it means, you just tap on the word. Pardon.
Sí, por favor.
So you got it. Now, I don't remember how to spell lo siento, so I'm checking it here. So I finished that. I reached my daily goal. I could watch a video to open another chest. These advertisements are in the free mode. I'm going to show you one more thing. In the Russian course, let's choose an easy one. Now this is cool. They gave me a free trial of unlimited, like of the premium mode, which they offer you a free
Хлеб.
week of
Яблоки.
unlimited. And what's cool about it is you have
Menu.
no hearts, you have no
Okay.
advertisements, so you
Ваше таксі.
you can play as much as you want. I used it once and it's awesome, really
Скажи.
useful. That week I
Это
increased at least one league,
слово.
maybe even two.
Еще раз.
One league,
Ваня,
but
вот
it was
твое
awesome.
какая.
I put a lot of hours into it. I decided not to continue using the premium mode because I don't play for hours and hours every week. I spend a few minutes every day. But yeah, this one I can make as many mistakes as I want without the risk of running out of hearts. That's the main thing about premium mode and no advertisements.
Их. Книга.
So
Уже.
I have to tap on the word sometimes to
Это
remember
ваши дети.
the correct form
Это ваши
because Russian has
дети.
a bunch of different forms that English doesn't have.
Вот.
Anyway, I'm going to stop it there. You got the idea. I highly recommend this app if you have any need to learn languages or any desire. If you are going to learn a language and you're not going to have a chance to practice it, you're not going to make much progress. If you do have some other motivation, such as I don't know, you might be moving to a country or you something along those lines, then you might be able to overcome that major obstacle. But without practice, it's hard to learn language. If you're taking a language course, this is an excellent supplement. And if you do have some sort of practice, whether it be watching movies or talking to people, then this is really great. I recommend it. It's called Duolingo. Maybe there's some other good programs that you can recommend in the comments, but this one works pretty well for me. Thanks for tuning in. I hope it helped. Later.